guys, welcome back to my channel Beauties Crown. This side Veronica. So guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to remove dark spots, pigmentation, acne marks. If you're having these problems, then this video is for you guys. If you want to know what it is, just stay tuned and let's get started. So beauties, the product which will gonna help you a lot in removing dark spots, pigmentations and acne marks is this. This is SIMA Intensive Fairness Whitening Serum. You can see this product will gonna help you in achieving that spotless and crystal clear skin. So beauties, now let me tell you why I choose this one and what is the benefits and every single detail. Firstly, let me show you about the carton. It comes in a carton like this. This is SIMA Intensive Fairness Whitening Serum. It is also written on the carton, you can see here, dark spots, pigmentation and acne marks. This is especially for this. So now let me tell you about the ingredients because I think that is the must one. Key ingredients are glutathione, vitamin B3, alpha, arbutin, kojic acid, then almond oil, olive oil, silicone oil, then it is wheat germ oil, tea, purified aqua and coffee. So now, as you can see guys, this is like steroids free and chemical free. This is like more herbal and natural. So this is the best thing. Let me read the benefits for you guys. It says it's skin lightening and whitening, enhance the skin appearance, reduces melasma and brown spots. Now this is important. Then deep cleansing and removal of scars, freckles, pimple marks and blackheads. Oh, it removes blackheads also. Repair uneven skin tone and pigmentation marks. Okay, so it says it do all these things and seriously it does that because I'm using it like in just 4 days. I'm using it from last 4 days and seriously I have seen the change. You can see I'm having a little bit of pimple marks here and I used it like only for 3 days, I must say 3 to 4 days. So and seriously I have seen the change. So this is like SIMA Intensive Fairness Whitening Serum. Let me tell you about the usage, how you have to use it. After washing your face with normal face wash, you have to use this face serum, massage it gently all over your face in a circular motion and until it absorbs, and you have to use it twice a day, in the morning and in the night. So this is how I used, and you have to use it like this only. So if you are suffering from uneven skin tone, you want to remove that acne spots, dark spots like tanning also, so this is something you should go for it. Let me give you a demo how it smells and how it looks. So here I'm taking 1 pump of this whitening serum. You can see here like this. I'm going to show you here. It easily absorbed in skin. Oh, it smells so natural. I can just smell the herbs and herbal things in it. This is so natural. So that's why I just go for it. So it does that work. Trust me, it does that work. It will gonna make your face like very good, clear, spotless and fair too. So this is a must thing which I think if you are suffering from a skin problems, then you should go for it. So guys, the price of this SIMA Intensive Fair Whitening Serum is rupees 2000 and I'm going to share the link of this from where you have to buy it in my description box. So beauties, just don't forget to check my description box. And one more thing I want to tell you is that both man and woman can use it. If you are thinking that this is like a woman kind of thing, fairness cream or something, no, it is not like that. Everyone can use it. I'm recommending you just go for it. This will gonna be a solution for your all face skin problem. So just go for this SIMA Intensive Fairness Whitening Serum. Seriously, trust me, you will gonna like this one. So beauties, hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Please check my description box. Just go and order it now. Please subscribe my channel. Do give me a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye and take care. So beauties, here are some useful tips for clear and fair skin. Drink lots of water, Don't use night steroid cream. Eat at least 1 carrot and 1 tomato daily. Use SIMA whitening serum 2 times a day.